Is there a rainbow in space? Rainbows. We see them after a rain shower, a beautiful arc of color across the sky. But what exactly are they? And could we ever see one in space? Let's break down the science of rainbows and then consider the cosmic possibilities. It's a fascinating question that touches on light, optics, and even the composition of celestial bodies. A rainbow is an optical phenomenon caused by refraction and reflection of light in water droplets. Sunlight enters a raindrop, slows down and bends. That's refraction. Then the light reflects off the back of the raindrop. As it exits, it refracts again, separating into its constituent colors. Each color bends at a slightly different angle. This is why we see the familiar spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Water droplets are essential for creating a rainbow. They act like tiny prisms, dispersing sunlight into its spectrum. Without water, there's nothing to refract and reflect the light in the way that creates a rainbow. So, can we find a similar medium in space? The key is finding a transparent medium that can refract and reflect light. Water isn't the only option. Planets with atmospheres containing other liquids or crystals could potentially host rainbows. Think about methane rain on Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Or perhaps ice crystals in the atmosphere of a gas giant like Jupiter. These could create different kinds of optical phenomena, maybe even something rainbow-like. Even if the conditions are right, seeing a rainbow in space would be challenging. You need a light source, a refractive medium, and an observer in the right position. In space, the light source is usually the sun, but the distribution of refractive particles might be too sparse or too dense to form a distinct arc. Also, the observer needs to be within the bow of the rainbow to see it. This requires a specific angle relative to the light source and the refractive medium. While true rainbows might be rare, space is full of other fascinating optical phenomena. Halos around planets caused by ice crystals are one example. Glories, similar to rainbows but formed by backscattering of light, have been observed on Venus. These appear as bright rings of light around the shadow of a spacecraft. And of course, there are auroras, caused by charged particles interacting with the planet's magnetic field. These create stunning displays of light in the sky. So, is there a rainbow in space? It's possible, but unlikely in the traditional sense. The conditions need to be just right. While we may not see a perfect arc of color like we do on Earth, space offers a wealth of other beautiful and intriguing optical phenomena. Keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises.